I met him at Bike Week, and you never know his story just by looking at him. He's a Marine aviator, and one flight changed everything for him. And somehow he's still here. I'm Nicole, where every build has a story. This is Know How TV.
Meet me on the beach.
At first, I'm not gonna lie, I only noticed his Harley. I mean, look at it, it's just insane. But after I started talking to him about his bike, I realized it wasn't just about the bike. He had a story. And so I had to ask him more questions.
I'm Nicole with Know How TV, and I am here at Daytona Beach Bike Week, and this is the most amazing thing I've ever been to in my life. I'm here with Dan.
I'm a retired U.S. Marine aviator. I flew helicopters 25 years.
Super cool.
Yeah. Got retired early at 50. I was in a helicopter crash from my back in two places.
What he didn't really say is that it didn't just end his career. It changed everything. 25 years flying helicopters, and then just like that, it's over? Yeah, his body was messed up, but that wasn't even the hardest part. It's what it did to him after. He ended up in a really dark place. There was a point where he didn't want to be here anymore, and you can't even tell that just by looking at him. He's still here. Dan and I became fast friends, and I can tell you right now that he lives to ride and rides to live.
Dan, tell me a little bit about your motorcycle.
I have a sweet 25 Road Glide CVO SP. It's got a 135 big bore engine kit in it that I did personally. It's got Olin suspension, front and rear. It's got a Zippers 532 cam, pushing 170 horsepower, 168 torque.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing.
Yeah, it'll do wheelies in first and second gear.
After hearing all that, I'm not gonna lie, I was still staring at that bike like, okay, but I have to know.
Here's $1 million. How much
down
did
here,
that motorcycle
I go down the
cost?
very end to pay for it.
Bike out the door was 45,000. Out the door.
Oh my God.
Look there, have a way.
That's your baby.
We want it like that.
Cool. Can we take a look?
Sure.
Let's go take a look. Okay, Dan. We gotta hear this thing. We gotta hear this beast fire up.
Are you ready? I don't know if you'll be able to hear with all these mics.
Let's give it a shot. Beautiful motorcycle.
appreciate it.
You did a wonderful job.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna lie, I feel super lucky I met Dan. He's been through hell and back. He's still here, riding, building, and loving life. And on top of that, he's kind, grounded, and he's a great dad. And I don't care what anyone says, Dan's a solid dude in my book. Aviator Dan the helicopter man. Yeah, I'm really glad I met him. It's never just the story about the machine. It's the story behind it.